Ethereum ETH rally has been fueled by decentralized finance DeFi, but what if there were a simpler way to use Bitcoin BTC in DeFi too? The yield opportunity would lead to more demand into institutional levels of capital, according to blockchain analysis firm Chainalysis chief economist. At 11 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time, ETH is trading at $1,398 United States dollars, after it had hit an anticipated all-time high of almost $1,450 United States dollars earlier in the day. BTC is changing hands at $33,079 United States dollars, after recently breaking its own series of records then correcting downwards. That said, ETH has outperformed BTC, having increased 4.5% in a day to BTC's 1%, 14% in a week to BTC's drop of almost 9%, as well as 124% in a month to BTC's 33%. Ethereum reached an all-time high because of demand to use it as collateral in DeFi, while Bitcoin reached an all-time high because of demand from new, large investors. The assets currently have different use cases, Chainalysis chief economist Philip Gradwell said in his latest report. This Ethereum's experience is also relevant as it raises the question of what would happen if Bitcoin could more easily be used in DeFi, said Gradwell, adding that it suggests future competition between the two biggest projects in the crypto space. If Ethereum can reach an all-time high price by offering access to yield, then imagine what would happen if investors could receive a yield on their Bitcoin, he said. Furthermore, as far more capital is available in Bitcoin than in Ethereum, should DeFi start using the former, liquidity would boom. Though wrapped Bitcoin WBTC exists for this purpose, the adoption has been low so far, argued the report, adding that there is a gap in the market for institutional DeFi. That's where Ethereum's situation is crucial for another major point. While there is a risk to the price that could come with the greater use of Bitcoin in DeFi, as it could import DeFi's volatility to an asset with a reputation as a safe haven, argued Gradwell, now, Ethereum's example suggests that the extra demand for Bitcoin that could arise from a DeFi use case would increase the price and likely outweigh that risk. The opportunity for yield would create extra demand and bring institutional levels of capital into DeFi, he said. Meanwhile, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust (GBTC) dropped over 15% last week, resulting in GBTC's premium to its underlying holdings dropping to 2.8%, the lowest since March 2017, Bloomberg reported. When there is a big move to the downside, bids tend to drop and that premium ends up collapsing because investors are trying to get out of positions, WallachBeth Capital's director of ETFs Mohit Bajaj is quoted as saying. Meanwhile, per the JPMorgan strategists cited by Bloomberg, GBTC slid 22% over the past 2 weeks through January 22, while the pace of flows into the trust appears to have peaked, based on 4-week rolling averages.